This is how you buy your kit for the Thunder Bees. So this is the way you put them together. When you first got it, it comes like this. Let's take this off. Be sure this is pressed. When you got your cylinder, open your cylinder from the bottom. It has a seal inside. Just push it inside, tight it down. Be sure the seal is inside. With the pin, push it in so it will seal. Sure this is tight. Let's tie it down. You see the actuator is going to start going up. Be sure it's tight so it doesn't leak. Grab the pin, pull it, push it to the first hole. Press the lever down, push in, pull the pin, put it on the first one, and that's ready to go. Then just tie it down. It's ready to go. Hold the lever, pull the pin, do not let go of the pin, then throw it. That's the way it looks after you throw it. So just take the top off. So your inserts out. And this apart. It's all ready to go for the next time.